So I created this little bird stand out of a couple items. So I've got, I'm not sure what it's called, but it used to have balls and you could tic-tac it and it'll go tick and then it'll come out the other side. I can't remember what it's called, but this is basically that. And it broke, so we just cut off all the strings. I got some elastic strings, this stuff, and I tied a little fruit container to it. And then I also got this stick, which I tied to here. And basically that's their little food stand. It's pretty simple, but they are enjoying it.